Hi, this is Hope and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the double crochet stitch. To begin, you will need some yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Unwind some yarn and begin by making a slip knot. Next, we will make a chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will yarn over and we will skip 1, 2, 3, and we will put our hook into the 4th chain. We will yarn over and pull through. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull your yarn through only the first 2 loops. So 1 and 2. And you are left with 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both of those loops. So the chains that we skipped are going to be counted as a double crochet. And we just made a double crochet as well. So to see the double crochet easier, let's make one into the next chain. Yarn over, put your hook through into the next available chain, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. So now you can see this is our double crochet. So let's continue. Yarn over, put your hook through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. Again, yarn over, push your hook through the chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. Last chain, yarn over, put your hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. So here we have made our first row of double crochet, and we should have 6. So here's the first one. It's the 3 chains that we skipped. And here's the second one. 3, 4, 5, and 6. To make our next row, we need to chain 2. 1, 2. This will be counted as our first double crochet. So we flip our work, yarn over, but we're going to skip this first chain and go into the next. Put your hook through, yarn over, and pull your yarn through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. So here we have our first 2 double crochet of our second row. Yarn over, put your hook through the next stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. Yarn over, put your hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. Do another one into the next chain. Ooh. Okay, we have come to our last chain, which was the 3 chains that we skipped. So one chain is going to be the bottom, and then we have the next 2. So you need to find the 2 loops that you're going to put your hook through. And it is actually twisted here. So yarn over, put your hook through the first loop, and find it on the other loop on the other side. Like that. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. So the first and second row will basically be the hardest. The following rows will be easier to find which stitch to put your hook through. So let's do one more row before we tie off. Chain 2. And turn your work. Yarn over, skip the first stitch and go into the next one, because this chain 2 is counted as your first double crochet. Put your hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. Again, yarn over, put your hook through, yarn over, pull your yarn out, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So let's finish the row with the last 3 double crochet. And as you can see in this last double crochet from the previous row, it is now a lot easier to see where you need to put your hook versus this one right here. So yarn over, put your hook into that little hole, pull your yarn through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2. Begin a chain 1, cut your yarn off, pull, and tighten. And here we have made 3 rows of double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Continue practicing this by chaining more chains. Chain the number of double crochets that you want to make plus 3. And then skip those first 3 and finally do your double crochets into the next chains. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one, where I will teach you how to make the treble crochet stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye.